Hey guys, it's me, Lee, with Victorian Dreams by Lee, and I wanted to give a really fast tutorial on a double page layout. So this is the card Happy that I made and showed you. And this is the die set we're using from Anna Griffin, the Happy 3D frame and border dies. So we're using all of that. And I did find my paperwork that went with it. So I am using, I pulled just the first thing I saw that had embellishments and borders and everything, and it is Anna Griffin floral paper and embellishments, and it doesn't say what year it was, but if I start looking for the perfect paper for something, it's going to be 2 hours, because I love everything of Anna's. So here is the page that we're doing. And I'm going to show you all my tips and tricks and why this is over and everything. So we're going to get through it and do it together right now. So I'm going to tell you, I didn't cut one thing, and I still do need to cut one thing. So we need 2 of these, one for each page, if you have that paper. If you don't have that paper, just find what you like and do what you want. So we have that. We have 4 of these, and they're 2 of each going each direction if you have that paper. We have, let's see, we're supposed to have 2 of these. Let me see if yeah, 2 of these, and you'll see why I want matchy. Okay, and then I cut 4 blue, 4 gold for the double pages. So you need 2 and 2, but I'm saying 4 so that you can do a double page layout. You need 1 of these, but whatever you have, I'm just using this. I wrote happy, or cut out happy, and I cut this out of the die. When you cut this out of the die right here, it cuts it. So I had to glue it back together, and look how much space it showed. So that's why this is off to the side to hide that, and that's why the word happy is way over. So you don't know these tips and tricks unless you follow through. So okay, and then this goes underneath, but you didn't know I cut the happy out and saved paper unless you follow me for tips and tricks. So there you go, and it layers up like that. And so okay, so let's move this out of the way and get started. So I'm going to just put this right here. You can screenshot all this. I forgot to cut the gold behind it. And I'll do that after I get done with y'all. But anyway, so look at the blue, isn't it beautiful? And look what it looks like. Look at that, oh my goodness. So okay, so we did it on the first one. Let's just glue these together and then I'll show you. So I'm gonna just take hot glue, and I'm going to layer these. We're not using but a couple of pop dots. And since this is going to be the right side, we already did the left. But also, if you want to do this paper, it might be, you might find it in the Carte Noir paper is the same, is in that too. So I have 2 different packages, but it's more or less the same paper. So maybe that'll help you if you go find it. But anyway, I just love this metallic blue that she has. Oh, it's so pretty. So we're gonna lay this here. Let's get it right. Okay, there we go. So on this side, on the left, if we were doing the left, I went 1 inch over and I put it here, and I went 3 inches up and I put it here. So that was the left that I already showed you, but because we're doing the right, we're doing the opposite side. So now we're going to put glue on the back We're not pop dotting a lot. So we're gonna go starting at the 1 inch and line that up. Okay, we're doing the opposite side, and then I'm gonna glue this one, and then I knew I went up. Let me square this up, and I went up 1, 2, 3, and I put it there, and there. Oh, it needs a little more glue. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna put this, and I'm not gonna glue it down because I forgot to cut the shadow layer gold, and I just want to show you one more time. The shadow layer is this one, and I cut it out with gold, but guess what? I cut that gold out and I saved the extra. So underneath this gold is open, and that's where I cut this out and saved extra. So if you need to save, so anyway, so I'm gonna just lay that there and pretend that I cut the gold. So now we're going to take this and put here, and take this and put here, and I'm just going to put some glue on it, and we're going to bring it to right about where these start, because this is so big, and we're going to start it right about there. We're not putting a lot of embellishment, and then this embellishment is a sticker, but I'm not going to use it as a sticker because it needs to be raised a little bit. And so this one has the roses going in, so we're going to put the roses going in. So these two are mirror images. This one's going one way and this one's going the other. Okay, so now I already showed you this trick. Let me make sure I'm in screen. So I put it back together, and I used some just some tape to tape it together, to hold it together, Scotch tape. And so I'm just going to layer this, and oh no, it had glue on it. Oh my gosh, don't rip. It ripped. Can I fix it? Yes, I can fix it. If I can make it let it go. All right, so now there's a little bit of extra glue because what a mess. But that's all. You're seeing how to fix things. See, I put glue in the middle and I didn't need to. But anyway, it's gonna go right there. Let's get that. Okay, but see how it has a gap, and I'm like, okay, what do I do? So I took the word happy, and I'm not even pop dotting this. So let's just put a little glue. I do have a Xyron machine that I could have put this through, and I'm putting it all the way off to the side, because if I'm rushing so much that I put it off to the side so that this would be good enough to cover up. So this right here, whichever embellishment you have, I'm just giving you ideas of what to do. So you don't have to have the exact same, but see, it hit it and you would never know it. So that is going to go in the center. So now we need to put full glue, and we're going to put it, I was lucky I didn't mess up that piece. So I'm going to center it between this line and here, and it's going to go right there. Okay, so, and these two, the reason why I picked these is that flower is the same as this flower, and we have them going that way. So I'm going to go ahead and glue them on, and the only thing that's missing is and I only glued a little bit, not all the way, so that your picture can still fit up underneath there. So what you see me doing is not gluing everything, just the bottom end where I know it's going to go, and it's just going to go right there. Okay, but your picture can still fit underneath. The only thing we're missing is the gold, and I'm sorry I didn't cut that, and I have already put it all up. So but this is what your double page layout would look like. So instead of putting happy here, but this can be the front and the back cover, but instead of putting happy right here, I would take this off if it's a double page layout, and I would make this my journaling card. I do have extra journaling cards of Anna's, so you can always just pull one of these and stick it somewhere too, but that's what it would look like. That's your double page layout. Let's see, here is the one, and you can screenshot it, and then that one would be glued down, and then that's the other. So, and that's why I did left side and right side. So, but this is going to be the front of my journal, my album, and this is going to be the back, and it's going to match, and then all the other double page layouts will match. So there you go, guys. I hope you like it, and there's the card that goes with it. So yeah, have a blessed day.